What's up, dudes and bros? My name is Cool Guy, and today I am going to be doing a tips and tricks video in West of Loathing. So the first tip, wait a minute. So the first tip is to walk over to this bookshelf and start reading a bunch of books. And if you want, and if you do it enough, you'll get a book called Walking Stupid. Come on. So, and that gives you the option to turn off and on, turn stupid walking off and on. Another tip, turn off auto spend XP. It's pretty useless. And don't use a spider ring either. It does nothing useful except make battles harder by adding in another spider. So yeah. Okay, once you're done with everything inside, if you talk to your mom will let you pick a gift. Now each of these gifts will give you a certain perk, like picking locks. Well, you gain the skill lock picking, which lets you lockpick certain locks as long as you have a high enough lock picking skill and a needle. And Desert Survival, if you choose this one and read the book, you will get foraging, which gives you access to a bunch of new food items. Like when you wander around, you have a chance of being able to watch like some cactus spear. And the one about bartering, it just gives you lower shop. It gives you the Dickering skill, and gives you 60 meat. And what Dickering does, it just gives you store discounts. And depending on your certain class, if you go talk with your dad, he'll give you a briefcase full of snakes if you're a snake oiler, a infinite can of beans if you're a bean slinger, and pretty sure he doesn't give you anything for being a cow puncher. And if you are playing on a different account, if you've already gone through the prologue on a different account, you have the option to skip. If you're trying to like 100% the game, then always don't skip. And once you get to Boring Springs, you can get this turnip. You go to the bar. And then just ask him about everything. And then the bartender will ask you if you can take care of a goblin, which do not, because I'm going to show you something. Once you're down here, take one of those newspapers. Don't attack the goblin. Grab this bottle of whiskey. Go back outside. And go to Doc Ellis. But before you do that, talk to the hostler and go to the horsery. And talk to him again and said something earlier about an injury. Go back out and then go to Doc Alice and give you an option to give her the whiskey. So yeah, give her the whiskey. Yeah, whatever. And then you have an option to do all these books. Read them all. And the reason you should do this is because you get a perk called Goblin Tongue. You also get some XP. And you can also talk to the sheriff and get back his door and get a weapon for it. And also collect any of these dirty mugs. And if I can find them. And you can give this guy your newspaper. And he will tell you the location of a shovel he had, which is behind the now house in or mine. And yeah, you can give mugs to this guy for 25 meat. And what you can do with the Goblin Tongue is, and you get a new companion, Gary.